Hi guys, I've just texted my neighbour who's a farmer to see whether he would let me photograph some new lambs that he's got in his field. So I'm just waiting back from his text. Hopefully I can photograph some lambs today. Excited about it. Yes, there he is. Nice one. Okay, let's do it. I've brought my absolutely massive lens, but I'm not sure I'm going to need it. I'm going to put it on there. Do not let me forget that. Oh, there's so many. Oh, there's a dog here. Hello. Hello, doggies. Oh, miss you in there. Good dog. Oh, and the sun's come out. This is excellent. Right, it's very rare, but I'm going to put a wide angle lens on because they're so close to me. Committed a faux pas of farming apparently. So when you're climbing over a farmer's gate, you need to do it closest to the hinges because it's obviously putting less stress on the gate if you climb over it near the hinges, not at the other side, which is what I did, and Tim told me off. So note to self and note to everyone watching, that's what you do. So cute. I really like these ones with a black and white head, so I might concentrate on them. I can get quite close, it looks like, so that bodes well. I've got my massive zoom lens that I brought with me, but I don't think I'll need it. So I'm just going to try and take a few shots with my 70-200 and also with my 16-35. So this is exciting, let's do it. No, doesn't like me. Oh, look at the tongue, it's disgusting. Tongue is disgusting. Look how close I can get to these lambs, just because they have no concept of fear at the moment, because obviously they've been with the farmer since they were born. And usually you can't get this close, so I'm using a wide angle lens, and usually I'm using a 100-400, so I can get a unique perspective, which is really exciting. And they don't seem to be that phased, so I'm getting some really good shots. And hopefully the sun will come out in a minute. I'll get a few more. This is awesome. I would love to get a couple of shots of these sheepdogs as well. Got one here, the other one's just gone, but hopefully Tim, the farmer, will come back with his dog in a minute and get a shot of that. But this old one is still really photogenic, so I'm going to try and get a couple of shots of him too. Him, her, I'm not sure. Sun's come out, so this could be quite a nice shot with the dog waiting for Tim to come back. That's nice with the gate and everything. Just need the dog to make a slightly different shape or some movement or something. But that's cool. Wow, it's bright now. Sometimes with dogs, you either have to make them feel comfortable or you just wait and see what they do naturally. And in this case, I'm just going to see what he does. I love to use the environment in my shots. Rather than just getting portraits, I love to use the environment to give context to my subject. And, you know, I could take a photo of a dog anywhere, and this is actually in a farmyard. I want to show it's a sheepdog, you know, in its farm environment. So that's why I'm using the environment to tell the story. He's gone now. Is he going to come back? Oh, he might come back. Oh, here he comes. Actually hailing now. I got some really nice ones there, a couple of type portraits, so happy with those. I didn't come to photograph that, and that's what's so good about these challenges, is you go for one thing and inevitably you photograph other things as well, and just gets you outside. I wish it's actually hailing now. If they go into any of these structures here with the ploughs, or just something a bit different and a bit more interesting than just like grass in the background, I'm going to try and do that. But let's see where it takes me. I'm going to be lying in lamb poo most of the time. I've already got some on my leg already. So yeah, this is what it's all about. Quite like the gritty nature of this. Not just a beautiful green grass behind, but with some like farming material, farming machinery, old gates. I do like this. I think I might have the wrong lens on. This one's stuck in there. Well, you obviously got in, so you have to try and get out. This one's got like a weird. This guy's got like a beard. This guy's hilarious. Look at this guy. Oh, he's really cute. That one. Look at this one. This is so cute. This one. What? I want to save this one, but I feel like he's just going to run away. There's a really good shot I hope is going to happen here. I've got as low as I can, and there's some sheep on the horizon with some amazing dramatic clouds that has just soaked me. And I'm hoping that the sheep is just going to walk left to right across, make an amazing silhouette. I might zoom out, I might zoom in, depending if I like the clouds or not. But if I time it right, this will be a really cool, really interesting image. That's a cute. For some reason they've just all surrounded me. But I've got a 7200 and they're too close now. That's a cute one. It's like some of the red in there. Oh, here's some here as well. Hi guys. Wherever I look, there's a lamb behind me. Hopefully I've got a really good one of that one that came really close next to the plough. I got a bit of blue in there, a bit of orange in there, and him in the middle. So yeah, hopefully I got a good one. Okay, come on. Good. Yeah. Right, I think I'll call it a day now. That was amazing and really, really fun, and something I don't usually do. So again, you know, having these sort of little challenges makes me get outside and makes me photograph things. And again, like, I didn't have to go far. This is in my village. So I always think that you have to go to some amazing place miles away to get good images. And it's really sort of comforting to know that I can find interesting images and things to film so close to home. And you know, that's a lesson, isn't it, that there's always stuff to photograph, whether you're in a city or whether you're in a town or the countryside. Just look around you and there's just so many things that are interesting. And that's what I need to keep telling myself, that I don't need to go far. There are loads of local things that I can photograph, so I'm going to try and do more of that. But thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and comment on what you think your favorite photo is. And what I should do next. I'm trying to think of some more sort of challenges to do. Hit me up if you can think of anything I can do that is exciting, something that's going to challenge me, and something that's going to be fun for you to watch as well. Cheers guys.